Earth Day. Rubbings. For our nature rubbings, you'll need a pencil, some color pencils or crayons, and some paper. Next, we'll gather some things from nature. Well, hello, leaf. I like to gather things from the ground so that the plants can keep growing. It's helpful to look for objects that are flat but bumpy on the top. Now take your paper and maybe a leaf and check for the bumpiest side of the leaf. There's a smooth side and a bumpy side. You want the bumpy side to be face up underneath your paper. Now take a pencil or a crayon and make sure that you're not pointing it straight at the paper, but holding it to the side. Hold your paper and leaf down firmly with one hand, or have an adult help you, and then start to scribble. I like to experiment. I've never done a rubbing of bark before. Let's see how it turns out. It's kind of a surprise. I like all the purple dots. You can explore with color. You can use a crayon or a color pencil. You can explore using different kinds of paper. This is a piece of paper bag. Next, I'm going to overlap my rubbing of pine needles with an oak leaf. I am careful to replace everything I've borrowed. Thank you, leaves. Thank you, bark. Thank you for letting us make some art with you. And thank you, Earth, for everything.